In this video, I am going to show you how to change Wi-Fi password on a T-Mobile home internet. So the process is very easy. First of all, you would like to locate your gateway. Basically find your T-Mobile 5G gateway, of course any model that you have. And note basically the label on the bottom because it has the default Wi-Fi info and admin login details. It is useful as backup if the app fails. So then you'd like to go and open the T-Mobile Internet application. Download the application if you don't have it yet, or open it if it's already installed on your phone. Sign in with your T-Mobile account and go to the Wi-Fi settings and tap on the gateway device. So click on network basically on the bottom. Make sure that this device is connected to the internet using the Wi-Fi and password behind your router. And yeah, you can go to network. You will find your gateway there. Make sure to select it to go to the Wi-Fi settings or network settings. Once you select it, once you select your network, you'll be able to change the password. So select the network that you want to update, 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz or both if combined. As example, this, it has it combined. So tap on edits or click on the network, and yeah, you'll be able to change your password. You'll be able to enter your new password, and it should meet the minimum requirement, which is usually 8 or plus characters. Save the changes and you should be good to go. Of course, the device that is currently connected, or any device that is currently connected to the Wi-Fi, will be disconnected and you'll need to connect again using the new password. So just go and reconnect all your devices across the house and you should be good to go. And of course, if somehow the app isn't showing you the option or won't save the changes or is not allowing you to do it, you can check the bottom labeled on the gateway for the admin login web address page, which is often something like 192.168.12.1. And you can type that into the browser and login with the admin credentials printed there. And you can navigate to the Wi-Fi settings and change it from the web admin page instead of the app. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.